Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, security system, trip computer, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.